Thank you for returning to my channel. Today we have a Hart 4-piece combo kit that was on sale for Walmart for their Black Friday sale. It was starting 11/14 of this year. It was $118 plus tax. It's to have 2.15 milliamp lithium-ion batteries with it. This is an unboxing video. Has a rapid charger and a storage bag with these 4 tools. It says limited 3-year warranty. I'm not sure what type of warranty it actually has on it, but we're gonna break the tape open. And we're gonna see what all comes in it. It looks like everything's already preloaded in the bag. Let me set my camera down for a second. Here's our little bag that says Hart in it. Bag feels like it's pretty strong. It has some weight to it as well. Here we have our owner's manuals. Looks like there's another manual right there. I'm not sure. That one may be for the charger. Here's the little charger. We have the drill. Let's take it out of the bag so we can get a better look at it. It has a rubbery feel to this grip area of the handle. We have forward and reverse, reverse, forward, 2 speeds. That was hard to get the click between 1 and 2. Feels well made from what I can feel of it. Has a combo Phillips and regular bit that comes with it. See if I can even move it by hand. This, I cannot move it by hand when it's stopped. It's like tightening up your chuck. I guess that's a good thing. Of course, I don't have a battery in it yet to make sure it actually does work. Have a flashlight. It looks like it's an LED flashlight. That's Hart brand. We have the impact. Reverse and forward. Looks like it has 1 speed. It takes bits down inside there. Feels well made. Has some weight to the inside your hand. It feels like it should be well made. Well, that was more difficult to get out. Let me move my camera over some. And here is our Sawzall. Okay, you pull out on it to switch out your Sawzall blade. It has some force to it to open it. Has a, I'm not sure if there's a safety. Yeah, it has a safety right here on the handle. Lock and unlock. So you don't, when you're trying to switch out your tips, you don't accidentally pull on that trigger and cut yourself. And we have 2 batteries. In the box. They feel like a pretty common standard battery. And it has one blade, which looks more like maybe like a wood blade, that comes with the Sawzall. Well, it's taped in there pretty good. I can't get it to slip out. They have tape over the edge of it. And saw blade fits in there fairly easy. And then the battery goes up here on the end. Now I'll have to wait until the batteries are charged, and I may do one of actually using the tool. It says variable trigger speed of 0 to 3000 SPM, delivers greater control and variety of materials. So it looks like you could have speed control. 24 position clutch, half-inch chuck for greater range of accessibility options. And it looks like they are telling you about other ones. They have a yard blower that, of course, this kit doesn't come with, but it shows a picture of it on the box. Has a buffer that's optional, and a vacuum that's optional. But the way it shows all four of those in the box, it's almost like confusing the way it actually shows more products. It should say optional on them, but it doesn't say that. It says peak internal battery voltage measured without a workload is approximately 20 volts. Normal voltage varies by product use and battery charge. And this says for workshop, yard, garage, or lifestyle. Now they're limited 3-year warranty. I'm not sure if that's... I've seen companies that's like that's a limited 3 years would be limited as long as they keep on making the product. It's under warranty. I'm not sure how this actually works, or maybe it only covers parts and not labor. I'll have to look at the owner's manuals later on. But for $118, it feels to be well made. I'm going to take this blade back out because I don't need it in there for right now. And I'll take a better look at the flashlight. It's just a little flashlight with a, looks like on-off control. Since I didn't actually charge the battery yet, I'm not going to place it on this until after we charge the battery up. Well, I'd like to thank you for watching. Remember to click like and subscribe.